Sri Lanka, an island of breathtaking beauty and rich biodiversity. But today, our climate and nature face unprecedented threats. At UNDP, we believe the choices we make now will shape our future. Rising temperatures, erratic rainfall, floods, droughts, and the loss of precious habitats are affecting us all. Our food, water, nature, and livelihoods are at risk. These crises are deeply interconnected. Climate change is accelerating biodiversity loss and land degradation. But Sri Lanka is not standing still. With the support of the development partner community and technical leadership of UNDP, the country is advancing bold, integrated solutions at the climate change nexus. Through the Nationally Determined Contributions 3.0, Sri Lanka is cutting greenhouse gas emissions by 20%, shifting to 70% renewable energy, and building resilience across sectors for every community. National biodiversity targets aim for restoring 30% of degraded ecosystems, conserving 30% of our land, wetlands and seas, and halting the extinction of our unique species. Land degradation neutrality targets aim for increasing forest cover, protecting wetlands, and restoring our soils, ensuring healthy land for generations to come. With the support of funding partners, UNDP works hand in hand with government, communities, and partners to turn these commitments into action, providing technical expertise, policy advice, and innovative development solutions that connect climate and nature. Drawing from an extensive pool of global and regional expertise, UNDP serves as the leading agency with over 6 decades of experience, innovative solutions, and strong partnerships that drive real change. These actions mean cleaner air, safer water, new green jobs, and a healthier, more resilient Sri Lanka. Every community, every person has a role to play, especially women, youth, and those most at risk. Together, Sri Lanka is building a future where people and nature thrive. Join us at the Climate Nature Nexus. Support local conservation, reduce waste, use energy wisely, and speak up for our planet. Working together, Sri Lanka is setting an example for others, showing that positive change for people and the planet is possible. The future is in our hands. Let's shape it together.